we met like, okay, I met her yesterday. Then today she did like a video saying that like she likes me. And the coincidence of that is actually crazy. Cause like right now I'm thinking that she made a video saying that she likes me on TikTok. I responded to it. So she followed me, I followed her. She's on her way back from KZN coming back to Pretoria, right? So like right now I just told her that okay, listen, when you get home, let's talk. So I don't know if maybe I'm moving slow or fast, but I'm thinking of because I wanna go get a tattoo tomorrow. I'm thinking of tattooing her name.
At home.
Okay, not her name, okay? It's like since her name starts with S, let me say S, because my name also is S. Like it's born name, start with S. So if I say SS, my initials are SS. It's Bonelo Senzeko. So if I just write her name, it's S, then I put a heart. I know who I'm making it for. If we break up, I'm gonna say no. I just wrote like my name, like Sponelo. I don't know. And I think I want like 3 kids. But if she wants 2 kids, that's also fine. Or maybe I should book out for us. Like we go out on a vacation for like 3 days, just to get to know each other. Because I feel like we won't get enough time to know each other because she lives far, okay, not far, but like she lives 2 streets away from me, but that's far for me. I feel like that's too far for me. I just need her here. So if I book us out, right, for like 3 days and we get to know each other, would that be okay, Ura?
It'll be fine. Yeah.
You sound like you're judge.
I judge. I'm not.
I
I'm
feel like
not.
I feel like you're judging me.
No, I'm not. I'm not judging you. Why would I judge you? I'll do
So what
the
should I
same.
do now?
Do with your plan. Like go with your plan. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. You'll try another one.
It must work. I don't want to have another second option. This is my only option.
Then it will work. If you believe it will work, then it will work.
It must work. It must work. So like right now, I'm receiving my NSFAS soon. I think I'm gonna spend all of my NSFAS. I'll see what I'll eat like this whole month. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna eat. But like eating doesn't matter. Like eating is not that important. I can just, I don't know. I can just buy noodles for 100 rand. I can try to last for like at least 2 weeks. You understand? Like eating is not that important, right? But like, yeah.
Why? Why?
Hmm?
Why do you want to spend all of your NSFAS?
I mean, she deserves. Like she's worth it. Like she's very much worth it.
Okay,
Like
what
she's
if she
good.
doesn't like you back?
Huh?
What if she doesn't like you back?
Oh no, then if she doesn't like me back, then I think each and every girl in the world, whoever likes me from day on, we're gonna have to start to register for therapy because no one's gonna have my heart and no one's gonna fall in love. Cause you can't. Can't be. It can't be.
No, okay, now you're gonna spend all of your NSFAS there, and then she doesn't like you back. Isn't that like pain?
I'll take out my pain. I wonder if she shatters my heart into 1,000,000 pieces. Those 1,000,000 pieces are gonna love each and every girl. Trust me. Cause why? I'm